In the dynamic and ever-evolving San Diego real estate market, the question of who can buy my home for cash often arises, especially among homeowners seeking a swift and hassle-free selling experience. Now, cash buyers emerge as a viable solution, offering homeowners the opportunity to expedite the selling process without the complexities associated with traditional listings. Among these cash buyers, Trusted House Buyers shines as a beacon of reliability, integrity, and efficiency. So let's delve deeper into the intricacies of cash buyers in San Diego and uncover why Trusted House Buyers stands out as a premier choice for homeowners. I'm Emily with Trusted House Buyers, and thanks for watching. Emily Davis, a seasoned real estate agent with extensive experience in the San Diego market, sheds light on the allure of cash buyers. She says cash buyers provide homeowners with a unique avenue to sell their property quickly and efficiently, she explains. In a market where time is of the essence, cash transactions offer unparalleled speed, often closing within days or weeks rather than months. Now, one of the most significant advantages of selling to a cash buyer, such as Trusted House Buyers, is the expediency of the transaction. Now, for homeowners facing urgent circumstances like foreclosure, relocation, or financial distress, time is of the essence. Cash buyers can alleviate these pressures by offering swift closings, providing sellers with much-needed relief and peace of mind. Additionally, cash buyers like Trusted House Buyers alleviate the burden of repairs and renovations typically associated with preparing a home for sale. Now, selling a home can be daunting, particularly when faced with the prospect of costly repairs or upgrades. Now, Trusted House Buyers simplifies this process by purchasing homes in their current condition, sparing sellers the time, effort, and financial investment required for repairs. Now, flexibility and control are also hallmarks of Trusted House Buyers' approach. Now, one of the standout features of Trusted House Buyers is our dedication to personalized service. We collaborate closely with sellers to understand their unique circumstances and objectives, tailoring solutions to meet their specific needs. Moreover, transparency and integrity are foundational principles upheld by Trusted House Buyers throughout every transaction. Sellers can trust that they will receive a fair and competitive offer from Trusted House Buyers. Now, our comprehensive evaluations consider various factors, ensuring sellers receive an offer reflective of their home's true market value. Now, at Trusted House Buyers, our clients are our top priority. We recognize that selling a home is a significant decision, and we strive to make the process as seamless and stress-free as possible. Now, Trusted House Buyers' dedication to fairness is exemplified through our pricing strategy. We believe in transparency and fairness in all of our dealings. Our objective is to provide sellers with a competitive offer that accurately reflects the value of their home, derived from a meticulous analysis of market data and property conditions. Furthermore, Trusted House Buyers offer sellers unparalleled flexibility and convenience. Every seller situation is unique, and we tailor our approach accordingly. So whether sellers require a swift closing or prefer a more relaxed timeline, we accommodate their needs with professionalism and efficiency. In closing, Trusted House Buyers emerges as the premier choice for homeowners seeking to sell their San Diego home for cash. Now, with a reputation built on reliability, integrity, and personalized service, Trusted House Buyers offer sellers a seamless and stress-free transaction experience. So whether sellers are facing urgent circumstances or simply seeking convenience and flexibility, Trusted House Buyers stands ready to assist them in achieving their real estate goals with confidence and peace of mind. Trusted House Buyers' commitment to excellence extends beyond the transaction itself. We provide ongoing support and guidance, ensuring sellers feel confident and informed throughout the entire process. Trusted House Buyers also leverages cutting-edge technology and innovative marketing strategies to reach a wide audience of potential buyers. So we utilize the latest tools and techniques to showcase properties and attract qualified buyers. So our goal is to maximize exposure and generate interest, ultimately leading to a successful sale for clients. Now, as the real estate landscape continues to evolve, Trusted House Buyers remains at the forefront, adapting and innovating to meet the evolving needs of sellers in the San Diego market. Our commitment to excellence and integrity sets us apart in the industry. We are dedicated to providing sellers with a superior experience and delivering results that exceeds their expectations. Trusted House Buyers is not just a cash buyer. We are trusted partners committed to helping homeowners achieve their real estate goals with confidence and peace of mind. And with our unwavering dedication to integrity, transparency, and personalized service, Trusted House Buyers stands as a premier choice for homeowners seeking to sell their San Diego home for cash. So give us a call today at 619-786-0973 to see how we can help you. Thanks for watching.